Hi everybody, it's Gary from Designer Walls. We're having a bit of fun in the showroom today with the Murato panels. This is the Peaks and we've got it in aubergine, which is like the brown version. As you can see, quite a decent product, sustainable, plenty of depth and colour with it. Colour fast, which you don't normally get with cork, so you can chip it and it's still the same colour. Simple to install. We're just using a very high grab adhesive and that'll stick to the ceiling. And we're creating a Tetris theme. Like I say, once you start off central with the room, it's quite easy. They go up, high grab adhesives, ensure that there is permanent adhesion. If you want more information on the range, designer-walls.co.uk and have a look at our section, front page section. There's lots of interesting ideas on that, but it's up to you guys to be creative. We just provide the materials, you're the creative types. Have a good afternoon. Thanks for watching.